National Weather Service in Pleasant Hill has issued a tornado warning for northern Davies County, southwestern Grundy County, northwestern Livingston County until 4:45 p.m. At 4:05 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located near Pattonsburg, or 8 miles northwest of Gallatin, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards included a damaging tornado and golf ball-size hail. A tornado has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Jamesport, Gilman City, Pattonsburg, Coffee, Jameson, and Brimson. This includes Interstate 35 in Missouri between mile marker 65 and 79. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Missouri: Davies, Grundy, and Livingston.
I'm going to show you guys something. Hold on, that's a little glitch right there. Hold on, let it load. So it's a particularly dangerous situation I was going to show you. I think it's this one. There was a PT. There it is. I'll read it. Siri will read it to you. Because I can't. Tone says in EAS. Hold on a second, I need to mute my audio.
A tornado warning remains in effect until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Putnam County. At 4:31 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed dangerous tornado was located near Unionville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Unionville and Livonia. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, a dangerous tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. If a tornado or other severe weather is spotted, report it to the National Weather Service or your local nearest law enforcement agency, who will send your report. This act may save lives of others in the path of dangerous weather.
Let's read it in Spanish potentially, but I was going to get it in Spanish, but I couldn't find it. So Siri says, yeah, there's a confirmed tornado. And I'll show you what it looks like on the map. There's something lighting up. You might see it light up. Oh, there was one that used to light up. But you can't really see it on the map. There was one lighting up earlier. Hopefully you like this little tornado warning script that I made up. Hopefully everyone down there in Missouri is okay. That's crazy. Look at all this. It was a EAS tornado watch and severe fun to watch. Stay tuned for more weather and stuff on my new YouTube channel. Please subscribe to it. Anyways,